Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for Steno legal dictations. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. Symbolic justice. There is nothing more to offer to several millions of construction workers in the unorganized sector, not social justice, not economic justice, full stop. The reason is quite simple, full stop. No state government and no union territory administration bracket UTA bracket close seems willing to fully adhere to and abide by bracket or is perhaps even capable of fully adhering to and abiding by bracket close two laws solemnly enacted by parliament namely the building and other construction workers bracket regulation of employment and conditions of service bracket close act 1996 bracket the act bracket close and the building and other construction workers welfare cess act 1996 bracket the cess act bracket close stop. Directions given by this court from time to time to implement the two laws have been flouted with impunity. Full stop. What is equally tragic is that multiple directions issued even by the Government of India under Section 60 of the Act have been disregarded by state governments and UTAs, and this is candidly admitted in a statement made by the learned additional Solicitor General in this court and also by the Union of India on affidavit full stop. Hopefully, the gravity of the situation in the constitutional and federal context, the human rights and social justice context will be realized by someone, somewhere and at some time, full stop. Stanza. The petitioner is said to be a non-registered committee of registered trade unions concerned with the rights of workers in the unorganized sector including construction workers, especially in areas of safety, occupational health and welfare measures. Full stop. The petitioner says that it is appalled by the attitude and ignorance of most state governments and UTAs towards the implementation of the act. Full stop. According to the petitioner, the non-implementation of the act violates the provisions of articles 15 within bracket 3, 39 within bracket E and within bracket F, and also articles 45 and 47 of the constitution, which impose a primary responsibility on the state to ensure that all the needs of workers are met and that their basic rights are fully protected. Full stop. The non implementation also violates article 21 of the constitution, which provides for the right to live with dignity. Full stop. It is averred that the act and the cess act are based on an international convention, namely the safety and health in construction convention number 167 adopted by the international labour organization in 1988 and its accompanying recommendation number 175, which provide for a foundation of law on which safe and healthy working conditions are built, full stop and over। सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।